Modern life keeps our bodies in a state of constant high alert, fighting off stress day after day. But what if a blanket could biochemically lower your body's main stress hormone, cortisol? This powerful effect starts with a deeply reassuring feeling we all recognize, the comfort of a firm hug. How does that physical feeling create a measurable biological change? The answer is coming. We will show you the science, reveal 5 key benefits, and address 2 common myths about this tool. The first benefit comes from deep pressure stimulation, or DPS. The effect comes from gentle, consistent pressure, distinct from just heavy weight. This concept has deep roots in occupational therapy, pioneered by Dr. Temple Grandin's squeeze machine, which provided a calming sensation. The weighted blanket is a softer, more accessible version of that original therapeutic device, designed for in-home use. So we know it applies pressure, but what is that pressure actually doing inside your nervous system? Your body has 2 opposing systems, the fight or flight mode and the rest and digest mode. Stress locks you in fight or flight. Deep pressure acts as a switch, signaling safety to your body. This signal activates your parasympathetic nervous system, the body's natural braking system. This nervous system shift is the direct bridge we asked about. It is the mechanism that translates physical pressure into a cascade of chemical changes. With that switch flipped, the benefits are chemical. First, as promised, your cortisol levels begin to drop. Simultaneously, your brain boosts the production of serotonin, the neurotransmitter that stabilizes your mood. And that serotonin is a direct precursor to melatonin, the hormone that signals your body it's time to sleep. You can feel this change physically. PNS activation leads to a measurably slower heart rate and lower blood pressure, key signs of deep relaxation. So, what does this scientific process actually feel like for a stressed adult? It feels like quieting the internal noise. The constant physical input helps to quiet racing thoughts, giving your brain a simple, calming sensation to focus on instead of anxieties. This is known as grounding. The pressure makes you feel more present and secure, countering the disconnected feeling that often comes with anxiety. And the real-world results are compelling. Surveys consistently show high user satisfaction, with most users reporting better sleep. But the benefits don't stop at general stress and sleep. The science points to more specific applications. The 5th major benefit is its application in specific conditions, showing it is more than a simple relaxation aid. Some research indicates the calming input from DPS can reduce the perception of chronic pain, helping to break the pain-stress cycle. For adults with ADHD, the steady pressure can reduce the need for fidgeting, improving focus during seated tasks. Interestingly, studies show the anxiety-reducing effects are strongest in people with high baseline anxiety. It's a targeted tool. So how does all this science, from hormones to history, combine to create such a powerful experience? Let's connect the dots. The blanket is a tool that sends the body a physical and chemical signal of safety. Remember the feeling of a hug from the start? We now know that feeling is backed by a chemical release of serotonin, reinforcing well-being. The psychological feeling of being grounded is the direct result of your nervous system physically shifting into its rest and digest state. Therefore, weighted blankets provide these diverse benefits because they use deep pressure to trigger a fundamental biological shift from a state of stress to calm. Now that you understand the science, let's address 2 common myths that stop people from trying one. Myth 1, they make you overheat. In reality, many modern blankets use breathable materials like cotton or bamboo to prevent this. Myth 2, you must use the 10% of body weight rule. Experts now say even distribution and personal comfort are far more important. From reducing stress hormones to improving focus, a weighted blanket is a powerful, non-pharmacological tool that uses your own biology to create calm. If you're looking for a science-backed way to manage stress, this might be a tool worth considering. Have you used one? Share your experience below.